Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will build one Python project which is monitor size detector project, and using that you can detect the size of your monitor, which is a very simple tool, and it just requires only 6 to 7 lines of code, and using that you can detect the size of your monitor. So let me show you what it will do, and then we will jump and write this code from scratch. So let me run the script file, and yeah, this is what it gives back, like monitor width and height. And right now my system monitor is 920 into 180, so that's what it gives. And yeah, let's jump and build this project from scratch. So let me close the screen and clear the screen as well. So now to work on this particular project, we need help of one Python library, which is screeninfo library. So we have to install that screeninfo to work and get our monitor details. So what you can do is, like, you can Google and find what screeninfo library is about, and there you can find the project description and documentation and everything. So what you need to do is, like, you have to install this particular screen info library in your virtual environment or in your machine. So I have already installed, and if I try now, it will just simply say like the requirement already satisfied, but in your case it will install the screen info library for you. So yeah, since I have already installed, it is showing me the requirement already satisfied. So let's build the tool. So I'm going to use the screen info, and from screen info I'm going to import one get monitors method. And what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to simply call that get monitors method, which will give me the monitor details. So let me call that get monitors method, and for now I will print that monitor detail, so that we can understand what it is exactly returning and it is doing. So the get monitors method will returns a list of objects. A list of monitor objects. So in case if you have connected multiple monitors, like a primary, secondary, and other monitors, then it will fetch the details and return the each monitor object in a list. So after that, what you can do is, like, you can just simply iterate and take the monitor object, and from that object you can take attributes and do based on your requirement. So let me run the script, and just to show you how it is returning. So you can see here, right now I have only one monitor. I didn't any connect any secondary monitor, so it is returning a list of monitor object. And in the current list, it is just simply only one monitor object. So what you need to do is, like, you can iterate, and or you can index, and from that you can take the monitor object and work on it. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Let's work on this one, like, so as per the tool, what we are going to display is the width and height of the monitor object. So what I'm going to do is, like, since the monitor details is a list of only one element, I'm going to instead of iterating it, I'm going to use the concept of indexing. And using the index position, I will take that monitor object element, and then from that object I'm going to access some particular attributes, which is width and height. So let me show you what I mean. Like, so we know that the monitor details is a list, and it is having only one element, which is the monitor object. So the first element is going to be index of 0, so I'm going to use the index position as 0. And now the monitor details of 0 will have a monitor object as an element. So from that monitor object, I'm going to simply access the width attribute. And similarly, I'm going to do the same set of operation for height. Monitor details, I'm going to access the first element, and then I'm from that object I'm going to access the height attribute. So now we have a width and height values. So finally I'm just simply going to print that details using fstring. So yeah, that's it. We have completed the script. So let's run and see if it is giving the width and height of the monitor object. So let me clear the screen and then run the Python monitor script file. So yeah, it has given the monitor width and height, and using this particular project, I mean this particular tool, you can detect the size of your monitor. So yeah, that's it. I hope you have liked this video and enjoyed. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.